So this is an Indian secret that you have to know. If you know this secret, you will surely come and thank me later. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. Like the title says, Indian secret for a younger looking skin. Not only that, like if you want to achieve this younger, glowing and lighter skin, this remedy is just for you. So you have to continue watching because you will learn greatly from this video. So at the end of this, you will surely come and thank me later. So we're going to make use of natural ingredients that you can find mainly in your kitchen to achieve this great result. Like if you use this treatment with consistency, you will never regret it. The first ingredient you have to think of is rice powder. Yes, rice powder. I got this from the supermarket. You can actually get it from your kitchen. Use your rice grain, turn it into a powder form, and that is rice powder. Rice powder is very tightening, like it helping to tighten and lift saggy skin. If you want to remove those aging signs like wrinkles, fine lines, just get rice powder. If you want to brighten your skin, to remove dull skin, get rice powder. Rice powder also helps to exfoliate your skin, removing dead skin cells that makes you look old and makes your skin looking very. So at the end of this, you will love the result. Rice powder also can serve as a natural sunscreen, like it helps to fight sunburn. Is one of the ingredients for treating sunburn. You can also make use of it in so many ways. So just get your rice powder. Another ingredient you have to get is this milk. So Indians, they don't joke with milk. Okay, they don't joke with it. Milk contains lactic acid, natural mild acid that when you apply it on your skin will look so soft, smooth and younger, helping to fight signs of aging like wrinkles, fine lines. Your skin will look supple, that plump look like that of a baby. You will get it. So anyhow you want to make use of it, be it you want to apply it all over your body, you want to treat some part of your skin or your face, just go on and add milk. You can make use of liquid milk or dry milk, just like this, but I just naturally prefer the dried milk powder. So milk is a powerful ingredient in this remedy. Get it. Oh, I forgot to add that milk also helps to lighten the skin. It's a natural lightener in a good way, of course, not a bleach look. It helps to unify your complexion, making sure your skin is even without some parts getting dark and some parts looking lighter. No, it will just make everywhere even and well uniform. Another ingredient you should get is egg white. So I have it in my kitchen. Okay, I didn't bring it right here. So egg white is actually very good for aging skin, like be it you want to control aging signs or you want to delay aging. Like you can apply it if you're in your 20s, if you're in your 30s. It's not only for those that have wrinkles already. So applying egg white will help to diminish those wrinkles or delay signs of aging, making sure you are aging less, like your skin will be looking beautifully younger. So get egg white. The egg white is that clear liquid part of the egg, the raw egg, that one that is stretchy, transparent, that colorless liquid. That is the egg white. You can actually make use of egg yolk. Okay, egg yolk is very moisturizing. It gives this glowing skin, but I just naturally prefer only the egg white because I need it to firm my skin. I have an oily skin, so in case you have a severe dry skin, you can mix the egg yolk together with egg white and you're all good. So another one you don't have to joke with is turmeric. Yes, turmeric is a must. Like it's one of their secrets. They look younger, they look always vibrant, they look very smart and younger. So turmeric contains powerful antioxidants that helps to fight free radical damage, making your skin to age less, removing those signs of aging, be it laugh lines, smile lines, deep wrinkles, puffy eyes, any kind of lines. Turmeric is also a natural bleaching agent. Yes, a natural one that helps to clear out dark spots, unify your complexion, making sure your skin is uniform. Do not worry about that bleaching I said. Okay, it's not like it's going to bleach your skin. No, it's just like a natural brightener that you need. Adding it a pinch or the quantity you want to use will get you like the shade you want. and is a natural type. Like, it's not going to damage your skin, rather it's going to nourish and protect your skin. So use it if you want to remove dark spots, use it if you want to take care of wrinkles, and you never regret it. I still have one more ingredient, but let me show you how to mix them together first before adding this last ingredient. Get a mixing bowl. Okay, make sure the bowl is very clean. Remove all dirt because you don't want this remedy to be contaminated. So the first ingredient you have to add in here is rice powder. Add 1 tablespoon of rice powder. Go on and add 1 tablespoon of milk powder. Okay, another thing to do is to separate your egg white from the egg yolk. Make sure you remove the yellow part of the egg by breaking it. Get that clear liquid, add it into this treatment, into the rice powder and the milk powder. The next one to add in here is turmeric. You need a pinch of turmeric goes a long way. You don't really need too much. So here is a pinch of turmeric, just a pinch like this. It's not even up to half teaspoon. So depending on how you want, this size can also glow your skin. It can also delay signs of aging. So if you want to lighten further, or if you want it to be more effective, you have to increase the quantity of turmeric. So I'm saying this because of those that have dark skin, ebony skin. Okay, if you are an ebony type of skin, you don't want to brighten your skin, just go on and add just a little. This little will just delay signs of aging, tighten your skin, firm your skin, and remove dead skin cells without giving you that bright look. So increase the quantity if you want to brighten, want to unify your complexion, and you never regret it. Add it into the treatment. And the last ingredient to add in here is almond oil. You need an oil in this treatment. Oil helps so well to protect your skin. It helps to moisturize your skin. It helps to keep your skin from drying out. It also helps to tighten your skin and make sure you are looking younger and glowing. So you have to choose the right oil. Like, almond oil is very important for all skin type without clogging your pores. This is an oil that will not make your skin go darker. This is an oil that will glow your skin and fight signs of aging. It contains vitamin E, and vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that nourishes our skin. So go on and get half tablespoon of almond oil, add it into the treatment, and mix them together. So you need to mix this treatment together until it's not watery. Make sure it's not watery. You don't need it watery, and you don't want it to be so thick. If your remedy is watery, go on and increase the quantity of rice powder to thicken it a little. If your remedy is thick, you have to add more water. Just add ordinary water, mix it properly, or you can get rose water, adding it little by little as you are mixing it until it's uniform and in a thick paste. After that, you wash your skin, remove all makeups and dirt. Then you have to apply this treatment all over your skin and leave it on for 15-20 minutes to dry. By this time, the remedy must have penetrated, exfoliate your skin very well. So it's time to wash it off. Use a lukewarm water to wash it off. After that, you pat dry. Apply a light moisturizer on your skin, and you see that your skin will be glowing beautifully. So repeat this treatment every day or 3 times weekly, and you will never regret it. You will never lose from this remedy. You will gain a lot. It removes dark spots, it gets rid of acne, it gets rid of wrinkles, it makes your skin glow, and it removes dull skin, unifies complexion, and gets you that younger, vibrant skin. So go on and use this treatment 3 times weekly or every day, and you never regret it. You can store the remain in the fridge maximum of 5 days. After that, you trash it out, make a fresh one, and you're all good. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.